How much do you love soup? Do you love soup like I do? Well, if you do, this is the video for you. Join me in the journey. Let me teach you how I make my chicken soup. So what I have here is my pumpkin. I'm just gonna cut it in half. Peel it. Peel your pumpkin, right? And then cut it in half. And just use your cutting board. And you just want to slice it in a little bit of dices, yeah? Small cubes you want to cut your pumpkins. Once you cut your pumpkins, you just throw them. Once you slice up your pumpkins, what you want to do next is just throw it in a pot of boiling hot water, alright? So just throw it in. And let that cover until it turns into puree. So guys, what I usually do while I put my pumpkin on the stove, let it come to a boil, right? Because I want to get that pumpkin nice and soft and pureed. What I usually do is just give my chicken a clean. But remember, at all times, when you clean your chicken, just make sure, please make sure that you have some bleach or vinegar or whatever your cleaning solution is, just to clean your surface, right? Because you do not want to get your meat contaminated, right? You don't want to get a cross contamination. You don't want to get that salmonella disease. I don't want you to copy me and then you get sick. So just remember, disinfect your surface once you finish cleaning, right? So we're doing chicken soup today, right? So you just take off all the excess fat off my meat, you know. Get the chicken a good clean, right? Next thing you want to do is just chop up your meat into cubes, small cubes. Chicken foot. You know about these? If you don't know, then you need to know. This is what gives you that nice texture, that nice taste. If you don't know, you need to know. Chicken foot. Give that soup that nice taste, you know? You don't know about chicken foot? You need to know. Chicken foot. Nice. What? Get to know about the chicken foot. Take my chicken, my chicken foot, chicken feet, chicken anything, chicken all the parts, and let's drop it in. Alright, cover the pot, let it come to a boil. So while my chicken is coming to a boil, right, what I like to do next is just take some water, put in a mixing bowl, pot, whatever your container is, right? Then I take my ground provision. So your ground provision might be yam, might be potatoes, It might be corn, it might be chocho, it might be dasheen, whatever you prefer, right? Today I'm just gonna keep it some yellow yam, some sweet potatoes, some corn, and some boiled dumpling. That's what we put in my soup. Nice yellow yam, yeah? Yeah. This one here is one of my favorites. Remember my uncle, big up Worm, R.I.P. Boss used to bring my grandma some nice fresh yam off his farm over here, you know? So everybody know Worm, big up Worm, the boss. Yeah, man. Slice it in half. Slice it again. Slice it again. Slice it again. How big you want it? It all depends on you. But I like my yam cut in 4 pieces. Not too big, not too small. Drop in some water. Cut it again. Cut it again. Drop in some water. You're gonna drop in the water. You're gonna drop in the water as soon as possible so preserve the color, you know? Slice it. Drop in some water. Slice it in 4s, you know? Water. Last piece. Boom. Boom. Water. Favorite potato? If you want to peel the skin off or leave the skin on, it's up to you. I'm gonna leave the skin on. To me, the skin has more nutriments, you know? Keep the skin on. 4. Boom. 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 4s. Water. I'd like for you to give me a thumbs up if you agree with me that you can't have chicken soup without some mixed dumplings, boiled dumpling, right? So right now I have about 3 cups of flour, mixing with some sea salt, and just giving this flour mix, making my dumpling slash my spinners, you know? Give the flour a nice mix, you know? Get it nice and soft and nice and tender. Yes, like so. Mix it in. Have some extra flour on the side just in case you add too much water, you know? But just mix it in until you get a nice consistency that you're looking for, you know? Yeah. Once you have your dough, the consistency that you like, what you want to do is mix it into some fine spinners or dumpling or round dumpling, however you want it. So I'm take my dough, spin it in my hand, pop off a piece, and just scuffle. Yeah? Roll it. Scuffle. Roll it in some spinners that I like. Spinners. Drop it in. Spinners. See this? See this? This my dumpling. Nice. Oh gosh. If you know what I'm talking about, comment below. Spinners. See if you don't want no spinners, you want a little small flat dumpling. Roll in the little ball. Take your palm in your flatten it, you know? Yeah. In the pot. scallion, scotch bonnet, scallion, red onion, regular onion in the pot. Mix it in, and everybody come to a boil. While I come to a boil, I'm just gonna put one of these in. Make sure put one of these in. This one here, give it the flavor that you need. Why? Yeah, man. So guys, this is how I make my soup. Chicken soup. See that? Yeah, man. Chicken foot. Some boiled dumpling. Some good yellow yam. Nice soup, you know? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Flavor just nice, huh? What? I could drink this 365. 5 days a week, 24/7. My favorite dish, you know? What that? Chicken foot? Trouble. Well, nice. Yeah, nice and flavorful. Just the right texture I want. Not too heavy, not too light. See that? Nice. Fresh, nice hot soup. Well, Well guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. Please remember to subscribe, share this video, like it, comment, you know, everything you guys do. I really appreciate it. I want you guys to help me spread this channel, let it reach the globe, you know what I mean? This is something I enjoy doing on my spare time, is cooking. So I could share my experience with you guys could share with others. I really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Peace, and I'm out.